My birthday is the first day of spring, so that combined with these upper 60-degree temps we've been getting here in South Carolina, I'm excited. I know that some of you guys aren't ready quite yet, but I did get a lot of requests for Target hauls when I asked you guys over on the posts tab, and they just dropped all of their spring stuff. And I swear, like, Target does spring better than anyone, and like Walmart does fall better than anyone. So I'm going to share all the new arrivals that I'm loving with you guys. Everything will be numbered up on screen, linked in the description bar and comment section. There will be a pop-up for some of these items on screen, and you can also scan this barcode if you are watching from a television or you were just watching, you know, from an iPad and you want to shop that way. Number one is this olive green maxi dress, and I can't get enough of this. Now, I do believe this is meant to kind of be a true maxi, go all the way to the ground, but your girl's 5'9", so this is more like longer midi on me, but I love it. It fits perfect. I grabbed a medium in this, and I think the sleeve detail is perfect. You can wear a bra or not, totally up to you. It is not too thin. It does have a V cut in the front, but I don't feel like, you know, if you're bending down, nothing's gonna come popping out of there, and it is just truly so comfortable and just kind of feels like you're wearing a nightgown. That's kind of been one of my hacks as a mom. Like, if I want to feel put together and comfortable in the springtime, like, there is nothing like a true maxi. Like, it just feels like you're wearing pajamas. So this one I love so much that product number 2 is actually the same dress in black. I loved the green so much. I immediately got online and ordered the black because they did not have it at my local store, and I was just even more in love with this one than that one, than the green one. I feel like I definitely am still a neutrals girl in the sense that, like, white, black, you know, gray and brown are my favorite color palettes. I'm trying to expand a little bit, but this is definitely still in my comfort zone. So again, fits great. I got a medium in this, washed and dried like a dream, and same exact length as the olive green dress on me. Now, product number 3, this yellow mini dress is so gorgeous. I love the tie around the waist. I will say though, so basically from the waist down is lined, and then the waist up is not. I was wearing a darker bra in this because I wanted to show you guys, you have like 2 options. One, wear a nude bra, which of course I always recommend, but I do like to call it out when I see a thinner fabric. So you could wear a nude bra, or you need to wear like a slip or something underneath. I wouldn't say a tank top, but just something as an extra layer if you don't want to wear a nude bra with this. I do think that that was a little bit of a design flaw, but overall I think the dress is gorgeous. Washed and dried amazing, you know, really did steam so easily, and the length is perfect. So that isn't something that's going to deter me from this dress, but again, I do just wanna make sure I call that out for you guys. And then number 4 is, again, the same dress, but in a different color. I love this mini dress. I think that blue is one of the hottest colors that we are going to see this year. I actually shared a spring trends video that I will link right here for you guys. In that one, I talked about blue and yellow, of course, being the spring colors that we see every year, but like especially this year are very hot, and this shade of blue is just it. So again, great length, fits perfect. I don't think this one was near as see-through. Like, honestly, I would say you don't need to wear a slip under this one at all. Just go with a nude colored bra and you're totally fine. I don't know why the fabric is that different. They felt the same, but just again, something I wanted to make sure I called out for you guys. Number 5, this twill bomber jacket. I really was not sure about, but I am in love with. I think that it is just such a fun jacket in your closet, and it's still simple, doesn't have a pattern on it. It can be a staple. You can wear it zipped up or open. You can layer this easily, and it's just fun. I like that it does have a like more cropped waistline to it. So I think, you know, you wear some high rise, like looser fitting jeans and this and a pair of sneakers. It is so, so cool. I'm not sure this one I could really get away with leggings or a dress. So I do think that kind of puts you into a little bit of a box style wise. But I am definitely a jeans girl. So this is just gonna be so fun in my spring wardrobe. And then number 6 is actually the jacket I'm wearing right now. I was not planning on buying this, but I ran to Target to get my kids some stuff for Valentine's Day, and I saw it from afar and I was like, okay, you don't need another jacket, do you? And then I kept thinking about it. And then I looked up and I was like, you know what, it's speaking to me. Let me just go try it on. And I was like, I'm gonna try it on, I'm gonna take a pic, see what I think. And miraculously it found its way into my cart and I have no regrets. I do feel like just this being kind of like a lighter khaki color does make it a neutral, but it does still have that fun floral print. So it's a little different from other stuff that I have in my closet, but this does fit naturally, very oversized, which I love. I cannot stand when a utility jacket or a jean jacket is like too fitted, because I'm always going to layer those. I'm not ever gonna button this up and be like, oh yeah, this is my top. This is a jacket that I want to layer. So I like that there is room here in the sides to really layer with a thicker sweater or a plain t-shirt, and it's still gonna fit and not be too snug. So does fit oversized. I got a medium and I just love the length to this. Now for the accessories, I only have this bag, but she's a beaut. I was not sure when I bought this online. I did not have it in store and I was like, I just don't know. I feel like suede, faux suede, it can just be so difficult. And when this came in, I was like, oh yes, you are gonna be a staple. I love the color. I love the size. I love the closure. I feel like this fits a lot. It holds its shape really nicely. And it is just a true cognac brown. So it's gonna go with a lot. I do think it's also lightweight on its own. I do find that like suede, faux suede, any of that can kind of be heavy. And this one is just a very lightweight bag. So I love this one, and the shape is gorgeous for spring. Now, number 8, before we get into the shoes, I do want to note, I used to size up half a size, like across the board, didn't matter what brand within Target I was buying. And I do find some inconsistencies now. I will just tell you what size I purchased for each pair of shoes, but I have a true size 9.5, and there is just, there's a little bit of a leeway you got to give yourself with the Target shoes, but I do love their shoes, so it doesn't deter me from buying them. Number 8, these faux suede slides. These I had to get in my true size 9.5. I grabbed them in a 9.5 and 10, and the 10 was obnoxiously large on me, so they fit perfect. I love a good square toe, but I also just like a really simple slide. I feel like these are the ones I wear the most during the spring and summer, and I mean, especially if I want to wear something with a dress, I just am gonna gravitate more towards these because my feet aren't gonna get too hot in them. And they're just simple. They go with a lot of stuff. So get your true size in these. But the next one, I do believe these only came in whole sizes, so I had to go up half. So I do really, really find these comfortable. To be honest, I actually have been wearing these kind of as like bedroom slippers around my house. I'm a bedroom slipper girly and I have so many pairs of them, but I don't know. I feel like these just came in and they're very casual and fun. You could wear them out, but I was like, you know, these just seem like something I want to wear at my house. So you can fully open up like the top band on these, not sure why, but I don't mind it one bit. They're comfortable. But again, I'm almost positive these are the ones that are whole sizes only, so I had to go up half instead of down. Number 10, these gold mesh flats. I needed to go down half a size to a 9. So I usually would wear a 9.5, and I actually need to exchange these for a 9. And when I first tried them on, I was like, wow, these are like obnoxiously large. And then I stood up and I was like, they're not that bad, but they are definitely not something I could pull off. Like I absolutely have to exchange these, but I love the way these look. I feel like I'm showing them to you guys in the B-roll with just like a basic white shirt and some jeans, which again is like my basic go-to easy spring outfit. And I feel like the gold mesh sandals just elevate it so much, and they're really comfortable and very lightweight. So I will absolutely be exchanging these, and I am so excited to wear these. I also think these would look great with dresses. Mesh slides are still very, very hot, and I feel like the price of these is amazing too. The last product are these taupe buckle sandals. To be honest, these are very, very casual, but very comfortable. I've been using these as kind of just my throw on slide lately. Again, we are experiencing warmer weather here in South Carolina. So I've been able to wear these a lot, and I find them to be so, so comfortable. Out of the box, the straps were a little bit stiff, but I mean, I maybe wore them for an hour, hour and a half, and I felt like they definitely weren't as stiff, but they're not gonna get like too floppy and loose as I wear them longer and longer. So very impressed with these. I love the gold buckle on them, but still a very casual sandal. I did get these in my true size 9.5, which I do love. And again, I will confirm all of that and leave it down in the description bar and comment section. So if you go down there and you're like, this girl said 9.5 and there's only whole sizes, what do I do? I will make sure that I note that in the description bar because I always check my orders when I am linking things to make sure I'm giving you the most accurate info down there in real time. So that is it for today's video. Let me know if there is anything else you guys want to see for spring and even summer. I can't believe I'm saying that, but you guys definitely were like hot Target items. We want to see the haul videos. So I am so happy to deliver today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.